So hey guys, how's everything going? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to PMU Growth Marketing. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create a Facebook and Instagram ad campaign in order to book more appointments, drive more traffic to your salon, and build great presence in online marketing, right? Cool. So at first, you have to log in into your Facebook account, or you can go to business.facebook.com and then your ads manager. Then this page will pop up. Okay, now you have to click on this create button, green create button, so that we can create a fresh new campaign. Okay, so after clicking this create button, this pop-up will open up. Okay, so there are lots of goals. The first is like awareness, brand awareness, reach, and then traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages, and then conversion, catalog sales, and store traffic. So brand awareness is if your brand is new and you want to promote your brand locally or globally, then you can choose this brand awareness. And then reach, if you want to reach more and more people, then this goal is good. Then traffic, if you want to send more traffic to your website, then traffic is good. And engagement, if you want to uh, like uh, like get more engagement on any video or post, then this engagement goal is for you. So so there are lots of goals, right? So now if we want appointments for our salon, then lead generation, messages, and conversion ad is good. If we are we want leads data, then lead generation is good. If we want our leads to start a conversion, if we want to talk with messenger, then we can drive our traffic to Instagram DMs and Facebook Messenger. Then we can choose this messages code. Okay, and conversion, if we are creating any landing page, then conversion ad is good. Okay, so as of now, I'm going with lead generation. If you want, you can go with these options. Okay, so lead generation and then continue. Okay, so when we click on the continue button, this page will pop up. So there are three label in the Facebook ad. The first is campaign label, the second is ad set label, and the third is ad label. Okay, so at first we have to give a name of our campaign. So let's suppose uh, I'm offering something in January. Okay, so let's suppose January offer. Okay, this is our campaign name. Okay, so this is our campaign name. And now there are two types of Facebook ad. Okay, Facebook ad strategy to like run the ad. One is campaign budget optimization. Like it's more about like spending your money, and like the campaign budget optimization, you give Facebook to choose your which is your best ad. Okay, but the second is ad budget optimization. This is something like higher level strategy. So as of now, we are opening the we are like activating this campaign budget optimization. Okay, and this is daily budget. If you want, then you can put some lifetime budget, but daily budget is preferable. So let's suppose I'm putting like $10, okay, per day. It's totally depends on you. Okay, if you want to spend $20, then you can. If you have like some budget problem, then you can start with $5. Okay, so $10 is good to go. Okay, and campaign bid strategy, lowest cost. So we are done with campaign label. Okay, so now click on the next. So next, now we are in the second level of Facebook ad. So this is ad set. Okay, ad set name. So this is ad set label. So we need to give a name of our ad set. So let's suppose the ad set name, like which type of audience like we are targeting. Like let's suppose we are targeting broad audience, right? Broad audience, and yeah, just broad audience. Okay, and then there are three options. Okay, first is instant form. Facebook will give you a form, give you access, like Facebook will tell you to create a form, okay, so that you can create a form, and then people will put their informations, okay, so you can collect some data. And the second is automated chat. You can collect leads data through automated chat. Okay, they will put some data, then you you can set a bot. Okay, you can set a small bot, not like advanced bot. This is more like to like collecting the data. Okay, and the third is calls. You can like put a call to action button, and you can give your number so that they can call you directly. Okay, so as of now I'm going with instant forms. Okay, and then you have to choose your Facebook page, and then this is catalog. This is not for lead generation ad. And then here when you want to start your ad. Okay, start date. So let's suppose there is a small tip. So what you have to do, you have to always start your ad from early morning or middle of the night. Okay, because if we are starting our ad from the middle of the day, then let's suppose we are setting our budget $20 per day. Then if we are setting our ad in the midday, then Facebook will start spending our money from midday to midnight. Okay, on the same day. Then Facebook will start spending our money quickly. Okay, but if we are setting our Facebook ad from early morning to midnight, then Facebook will spend our money slowly. Okay, so we have to keep in notice this thing. Okay, so let's suppose I am setting this ad from 4 a.m. Okay, 25 January 2022 4 a.m. Okay, and if you want to set end date, then you can set. Okay, now there are more options. This is not for first time. Like if you are running ad first time, then this is not for you. Okay, okay, so this is custom audience. This is like if you have you have run ad before, then you can use the audience you have used before. Okay, okay, cool. So and the next thing is location. So what we have to do, at first we have to choose the type of people. Okay, people living in or recently in this location, and there are three more options: people living in this location, people recently in this location, people traveling in this location. So we don't want like people traveling in this location, we want these two type of people, right? So here is the two type of people we can select. Okay, people living in the location and recently in the location. Okay, so let's suppose United States, and let's suppose my salon is in Arizona. Okay, Arizona. Okay, so United States, Arizona. You can put some like specific area. Let's suppose okay, Phoenix. Okay, Phoenix, I guess. Yeah, let's suppose Phoenix. Okay, Phoenix. You can put your location. Okay, so Phoenix and like 10-kilometer radius. Okay, 10-kilometer radius. Like people will come from these places. Okay, and see the audience size. The audience size is you know, like broad audience. Okay, now we can run ads. So now we have to choose the age. You know your audience, so you can you can tell like which age of which group of people are best, right? So let's suppose we are choosing like age 22 to age 50. Okay, let's suppose our service is for this age group people. Okay, and then if your salon is unisex, then you can choose all. If your salon is for men, then you can choose men. If your salon is for women, then you can choose women. Okay, and then detail targeting. uh, this is more like laser focused traffic. Okay, let's suppose we want people who are interested in beauty, right? Sometime Facebook, yeah. So beauty. Okay, so we have put put an interest, which is beauty. Like from these people, from this people, the people we have selected, the group of people we have selected, now we are targeting those people who are interested in beauty. Okay, so this is like more like to like narrow, we are narrowing down, right? Yeah, cool. And then language, you can select the language as per your location, right? let's suppose uh, let's suppose I'm choosing English. Okay, cool. So the next thing is placement. Okay, so the placement is where you want to show your ad, which on which platform you want to show your ads, right? So as of now we are unselecting the audience network, and video feeds, explore, we don't want to run ad in this platforms. Instagram story is good, Facebook story is good, in stream search, and then article. Okay, so untick all the places except news feed, Instagram feed, Facebook marketplace, and reels. Sorry, stories. Okay, if you want, you can run ad on Instagram reels. So I guess as of now, Instagram reel is not allowing. So we are good. Okay. So next, let me cross check again. Let me cross check. Always cross check all the things. Okay. Broad audience, lead, instead form, then page selection, and then okay, date selection, and then audience selection, area selection, location, age group, women, interest, placements. Okay, cool. Okay, and then next, so the next is ad label, right? Oh, so if we are selecting the why Facebook is giving me this notification because I haven't connected my Instagram account. Let's suppose I'm connecting the Instagram account. Okay, I'm connecting. If you haven't connected your Facebook account with Instagram account, then you can you will Facebook will show you a connect button here. Okay, and you can connect your Instagram account. Okay. So now the ad label, let's suppose we are running some one video ad. Okay, video ad. Okay, so video one. Okay, always testing is like the key to success of Facebook ad is testing. Okay, always test new things so that you will know, like you will get to know which is working good, which is not working good. Okay, so we have to test more and more ads. Okay, so video one, and then we have to select the Facebook page and then Instagram account, and then create ad. Okay, so this is where we're going to select our videos and photos. Okay, so there are two options. One is single image or video, and the second is carousel. Okay, so carousel is not for like service ad. It is more like to like product. If you have any kind of product you are promoting, then carousel ad is good. Okay, so single image and video, and then now let me put a video. Sorry, not edit. Delete. We have to delete it. Okay. Okay, add video. Let's suppose I am selecting this video and done. And this is recommended. Like if we are running ads on stories and reels, then this format is good. 9:16. Okay. And if we are running feed in the feed, then 1:1 is recommended. Okay, so done. This is why Facebook showing me this warning. So we have selected the video, and then this is primary text. So which is what is primary text? Primary text is like this is nothing like caption. Okay, you know what is caption. The creative, like if we are seeing the ad on Facebook, then you will see. Let me do it. Okay, let me do it. You will get an idea. So I have already created the copy, the creative. Sorry, the copy. This is you can some people call it caption, some people call it copy. Okay, so in Facebook ad, this is called copy. So in your copy, like people will attract when they see your video, when they see your images. Okay, but they will take action when they read the copy, the ad copy. And always use video. Okay, image as ad is good, but video ad is like people want to see you. Okay, who are you, and what you do, how you can help them. Okay, how you are helping people, what kind of work you are doing, like all the things. Okay, and then when people know you, they like you, and then trust you, then they will buy from you. Okay, so if image says 1,000 words, video says millions of words. So always use video, always use video work like charm. Okay, so this is ad copy. So select the ad copy, and then in the ad copy there are lots of things, like you have to talk to those people, like in your areas, people like hi Arizona's ladies. Okay, and then their problem, and then what you are offering, and then some advantages of the service you are promoting, and then some urgency. Okay, so there are lots of strategy, and there are lots of like offer. Okay, you can create, because product will you can't sell a product without an offer. Okay, so you have to create an offer. Okay, so that you can sell your product. Okay, and then headline. Okay, headline. In the headline you can select some call to action type thing, like book now. Okay, book now, or get your facial offer. Okay, get your facial offer, and you can put some emojis. Okay, so this is headline, and you can see a Facebook ad will look like this. Okay, and Instagram ad it look like this, and marketplace our ad is going to look like this, the stories. And then Instagram reels. Okay, sorry, Instagram stories and Facebook stories. Okay, and then description, this is optional, you can put, but you can put some like or urgency, you can create some urgency so that people will book the call. Okay, sorry, book the appointment. Okay, so the display link, you can put your website link, like okay. Good. And then call to action, you can choose book now. Book now is good. Book now, book now. If we are setting like appointment ads, then book now is good. Call to action of book now is good. Okay, and then instant form. I've already created an instant form. So this form will look like this. We can collect uh, data of our leads, okay, by creating this form. If you haven't created your form, then you can create, you can click on the create form, then you can create a form. Okay, and then there are like some advanced thing, the pixel, we can track our leads so that uh, we can follow up them. Okay, we can create a retargeting ad for them, and we can retarget them, retargeting them again and again. Okay, those people who are interested in our ad. Okay, so this is more advanced thing, so I will share you all the things later, later on videos. Okay, so this is for now, and our ad is ready. Okay, so let me show you advanced preview. So this is our ad. We look like all these platforms. So this is Facebook, and this is Instagram, and this is marketplace, and then Instagram stories, and Facebook stories. Okay, good. So now we can create the we can click on the publish button, and our ad will publish. Okay, and then people will reacting on our people will gonna react in our ad, and they will book appointments with us. Okay, so this was the process of creating a ad, and you can see our ad is now on the processing mode. After some time, our ad is going to active. Okay, and then we can start collecting our leads. So guys, this is the video. You can follow this video. I have shared lots of things, and you can create easily. If you want to, like, if you don't have time to create all these things, if you don't have time to manage all these things, then you can contact me. I will keep all my contacts in the description box. Okay, so that you can connect with me, and I can create all the marketing system for you, and I can create like Facebook and Instagram ads for you, and you can generate more and more appointments. Okay, so thank you guys, that's it for this video. I will share more information about Facebook and Instagram ads in the upcoming videos. Okay, so stay tuned and subscribe to this channel.